everyone, it's Emma and Clementine for Keto Naturals.
Today we're gonna cook crackers, obviously, but in short, we're gonna try out 3 different types of butter that are from different prices. So the recipe will stay the same, but we're gonna compare the results in order to see if the quality of the butter, the price of the butter, really impacts on the result of the recipe. At the end, we're gonna make a blind test to check if there's really a difference between the 3 crackers. Let's go! So we're gonna use the same recipe for the 3 types of crackers. We're just gonna change the butter. So we're gonna use almond flour and soy bean protein.
So a mix of all the dry ingredients. So you've got the flax seed, the sesame seed, the tapioca starch, pepper salt, Xanthan, and some baking soda.
Also, we use egg whites that we're gonna wipe.
And you got all the fat ingredients part. So whipping cream and cream cheese will be always used in the 3 that we are going to show you. And you're just gonna change the brand of the butter.
So first step, you wipe the eggs white. Once you're done with the eggs, you're gonna mix up the greasy ingredients with the egg whites. Mix slowly in order to not make the egg whites go down. And then in the blender, you pour the dry ingredients and you mix up all of these with the greasy ones. And we're gonna use the blender to mix it all better. The blender will help to make the dough more homogeneous. It's gonna be easier to flatten. You mix it up until you see that the dough looks homogeneous, well mixed.
So mix well until the dough is like, a cookie dough, and it's very homogeneous.
And then with clean hands, you just take the dough out and you end up in the mixing with hands. And now you flatten the dough between 2 baking sheets. It's easier, but don't make the dough too thin, otherwise it's gonna fragilize the texture of the crackers at the end. You take off the second sheet. You're gonna cut the cracker shape. Don't make them too big. To improve the cooking, you can poke some holes into the crackers. Big holes with the chopstick. Also, don't forget to do the exact same recipe for the 3 butters. We're just gonna show you just one recipe then. You have to preheat the oven at 150 degrees, and then you put the crackers on a tray. You make them cook for 13 minutes. So we ended the cooking of the 3 crackers with 3 different types of butter.
So I'm just going to give her one cracker by one, and she's going to try to know which brand is it.
This one is consistent.
Okay. And do you feel, I don't know, an aftertaste, or is the cooking okay? The baking?
Yeah, the cooking is okay. Maybe there's a thick taste at the end in my mouth.
Open the mouth.
This one is more sandy.
Yeah, okay.
So this one is consistent, not sandy, not too much greasy.
The first one was the best to cook because the dough was very consistent, not crumbling. So in fact this one is the cheapest, and those 2 are quite close regarding the price and regarding the taste.
Okay.
But maybe we'll go with the second one because it was easier to cook.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. And don't hesitate to put a thumbs up.
Yeah, and to subscribe.
Bye.